I was like, I know they're still open, but I'm like, I seen.
Yeah, sorry about that.
That was good. That was good. Shit, let me. Oh, God wanted this song, bro. God wanted this thingy. I guess. Nah, I don't want to. Oh, damn it. Damn. But I'll pay fucking. I'll try this one. I'll try that one. That's right. I bet. Not there. I know my password now, which I don't care. Come on. Oh, I don't have a card in there, buddy. Nah. Better. Oh, back at it, man. We back at it. Freaking crumble. The freaking box. We just got the. You said what?
Do you want me to like stick or
Yeah, please. I came in here, I think it was yesterday or the day before, and I mean, I'm pretty sure they saw me with my helmet, and they put the stickers on there. I'm like, God damn. Okay. See, I didn't know y'all had the stickers for them, you know?
Yeah, we usually have bags, but unfortunately graduation, we cleared this out, so.
I'm like, I know they have to have bags, but they're like, oh, we don't got no bags. I'm like, oh, damn. And then the moment I walked out, one of them flipped over and fell. I said, damn. Bro, I was so mad, bro. It wasn't mine anyway. It was my little brother's, but I was like, fuck. Damn. Look at this, man. Thank you.
Ride safe?
They got you working solo?
No, my partner's back.
Ah, you take care.
Have a good day.
Take me too. What the fuck? Look at this food, bro. You got food right in the fucking scooters. This shit again, bro. This shit again, bro. And then you got these food in this truck right here, laughing at me. Hi, bro. Hey, that's funny though. You have to laugh. Oh God, y'all couldn't see, but fools were cheesy, bro. They cheesy, bro. You feel me? So would you never seen a mini bike? Oh, wait. I'm spit. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. Now we gotta. That's how I do mine. Now we gotta go to the doctor again to get the fucking bag. God damn it! I'm fucking getting 2 times. Yep. I liked her though. She cool. Oh, fuck! I hit my fucking leg in the back. But we out here, boys. Again.